In this ProClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you how to activate subsequently installed accessories with the Echo control element. This video applies for the following accessory components installed after commissioning of the unit: electrical preheater, post heater, warm water or electric, cooling register, cold water or DX, recirculation damper. Admin access rights are required to activate the accessory components. To do this, select the Access Rights menu item and enter the access code. This can be found in the Installation and Operating Instructions Manual for the ventilation unit. The accessory components are then activated in the Commissioning Assistant. Start this by selecting the Configuration menu, System, Activate Wizard. Change the parameter to Yes and confirm by pressing OK. The Commissioning Assistant will now start with the selection of Unit Configuration. Please do not make any changes. The next step is to select the appropriate menu item to activate the desired accessory components. The most important menu items at a glance are Electrical Preheater. Select Yes to activate the internal and external unit preheater. After heater type, select the installed post-heating element and confirm by pressing OK. Cooler type. Select the installed cooling element. When selecting DX, you also define whether it is a single or two-step cooling system. Recirculation damper. Select Yes to activate the recirculation damper. Once all subsequently installed accessory components have been activated or configured, you can complete the configuration. To do this, select the Yes setting and confirm by pressing OK. You will then reach the main controller menu. More information on the settings for the specified menu items can be found in the video Initial Commissioning Controller. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and heliosAIR1.com.